I'd like to show you how to program a Dimplex quantum storage heater. The steps that I'm going to show you are available in the operating instructions manual, and a brief summary is available on the undercover of the heater's control panel. There are two power switches to the heaters which need to be switched on. Turn the dial up or down to control the temperature on the heater. You can alter the times on the heater to suit when you and your household want the rooms to be warm. You can get an advance of heat. And finally, you can set a child lock on your heater so that no one can alter the settings.